Hey guys, Brad Scott here from bradscottvisuals.com, and today I'm super excited to be unboxing the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Now, I bought this for a trip to Italy. I already own the Phantom 4 Pro and I absolutely love it. I've been flying it for a couple years now. I think the image quality out of the Phantom 4 Pro is awesome. I love that it shoots 4K 60 frames a second. I use that feature all the time. And it's just a great all-around drone. But for this Italy trip, I'm going to be traveling around Italy with my girlfriend, Lindsay, for 2 weeks. We're going all over the place by train. We're going to rent a car, go up into the Dolomites. And so I just wanted something that is more portable. I didn't have to have a separate backpack for the drone itself. So with this one, I can just put it right into the same backpack that I use for my DSLR camera. I'm going to bring my Nikon D810, my Panasonic GH5, 2 or 3 lenses, and then the Mavic 2 Pro. So let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this baby. I just got the Mavic 2 Pro. I didn't get the Fly More combo or anything. I ended up ordering another battery. And the great thing about the Mavic 2 Pro, and the reason why I ordered it, was the fact that it shoots 4K 10-bit color in a log mode, so you can color grade it and make real nice cinematic aerial footage, as well as the fact that it's got the new 20 megapixel 1-inch sensor, and they've partnered up with Hasselblad, which is a really well-known high-end camera company. So I'm hoping that the image quality I get out of the Mavic 2 Pro is going to be just as good as the Phantom 4 Pro, if not better. Sometimes with the Phantom 4 Pro, I notice that if I'm looking directly into the sun, it gives me some kind of pretty ugly lens flares going on. So with this Hasselblad camera that they've designed with DJI, I'm hoping that it's going to be a little bit better when you're looking directly into the sun. And I think that the dynamic range is going to be a little bit better as well compared to the Phantom 4 Pro. So this is just a slide out box here. As you can see, Mavic 2 Pro, just sliding it out. I'm going to set that to the side for now. And I've got this little sticker here. I'm going to pull this off. Voila! Oh yeah, that thing looks sweet. So here's what we got. We've got the controller. We've got the actual drone itself, and it's got a little bit of weight to it. This one feels, I had the Mavic Pro that I actually bought for the same Italy trip. And then 2 days later, this came out, and I realized that I was going to be able to get it in time for my trip in September. So I just went ahead and sold the Mavic Pro and bought this Mavic 2 Pro instead. But it feels a little bit heavier than the Mavic Pro. It looks like it's a little bit thicker as far as top to bottom, and perhaps a little bit longer as well. But here is that beautiful Hasselblad camera right there. Let's go ahead and pop this off, pop that protector off, and it's got like a new lens protector, camera protector deal to where this slides on top of the square camera, and there's your camera itself. How this works is these arms fold down, except for you have to fold these ones out first. Top arms out, and then these bottom arms rotate down like that, and there's your drone. This charger actually comes with a cord for your remote control, so you don't have to have a separate remote control cord to plug into the back of here. It's just already integrated within the charger. So that'll save on space and just make it more user-friendly as well for traveling. And now that I'm opening up the controller itself, I'm actually seeing that they've got other joysticks here. So these are actually extras in case you lose these ones. So that's nice to know. You actually have two sets of thumb joysticks that screw in case you lose one of the pairs. Here are the propellers. So they're just like the Mavic Pro propellers. They have a slightly different edge to them. So I'm hoping that will make them a little bit more quiet. So the drone isn't annoying in crowded spaces. But these look pretty sweet. And the way you pop these on the drone is you find the color on the top of it. One's got a gray ring and one's got a black ring. So you just match it up with black to black and you push down and then twist and let go and it's all on there. Same with the gray one. You just push down and it's gonna rotate the opposite way. So the gray rotates to the right, the black rotates to the left to lock it. And then to take them off, push down, rotate, take them off. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge up these batteries and I'm going to update the firmware to the latest version. Here's the battery, just so you can see size-wise. It's a little thicker than the Mavic Pro. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge these up, update the firmware, and then take it for a test flight and show you guys some of the images and footage that I get from it in South Lake Tahoe, which is where I live. I'm actually gonna drive over to the east shore where there's beautiful boulders, really crystal clear water. It's got the nice aqua colored water. So we're gonna head over there and show you guys some of the footage. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.